Hi there, we are students from the camp, working on the community living environment project. We would like to ask you a few questions about your living experience here. It only will take few minutes. We wouldn't disturb you for long, but we willing to take short interview.
Sure, no problem.
Great, thank you. We will reply you project. We wouldn't film your face, and you don't want us to film in the interview of your room. Just let us know. What do you think of this biggest special challenge in your current living state? Like this too small for your need. Do you have trouble drowsing or it is inconvenient to move around?
Mainly the room is a bit small. I have more and more stuff, especially books and computer equipment. The desk is also too small, so it cramped when I start.
How does it affect your daily life?
Sometimes it feels messy and my study efficiency drops a bit. There's also no space for friends when they came over.
What about the lighting, ventilation, as a way of sleeping here? Is there any area you think could be improved?
The lighting in the room is okay, but the corridor is a bit dark at night. Uh, Ventilation is just so. Sometimes the room gets stuffy. Safety wise is fine, but the corridor is nervous, so it's hard to move big things around.
Do that issue affect your sense of the stability or quality of life?
It's not really using the oxygen, but walking down the corridor at night feels a bit uncomfortable. When the ventilation is bit bad, the room feels oppressive.
If you could make improvement, did your ideal living space look like?
I wish the room was a bit bigger with a comfortable study area. Better ventilation will be breather, so it is not so stuffy in summer. A small balcony will be perfect if it's possible.
That sounds like the change will make your life a lot of more comfortable. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for much for your time. Your opinion are very helpful on the project. We will incorporate your idea into your design. We will help you to can make the class more comfortable in the future.
You're welcome.
We would like to take a few photos of your interview for our assignment. We wouldn't film you. Is that okay?
Sure, go ahead.
Cache. We use the general AI design tool, then input special promo. We design a small student room with a larger study area, better ventilation, extra storage, special for book and electronic device, a small fancy in a model militarism style. Keep the original structure load out as much as possible. The AI generates five design digits in read selecting the one that best aligned with the design as needed. The new design expanded the study area by 13% as a retractable balancing for ventilation in style where the mantle storage can be made with safe dash space.
This community exploration allowed us to deeply understand the real needs of residents. Many similar issues such as poor ventilation, contagious study gas, and the closer lighting directly impact quality of life. A community is more than a cluster of buildings. It is a place where people live their daily lives. We realize that a good living environment must start from the residents' perspective, discovering problems through listening and operation. Future community design should be more human centered, focus on space, empathy, utilization, lighting, and safety. We are also providing suitable study and living environments for young people by combining AI technology with on-the-ground community needs. We can create a living space that are both functional and comfortable. As an interview for this project, I learned valuable communication skills. How to ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and emphasize with the interview students. When the student talk about his combined study space referencing his efficiency, I realized that design is not just about uh, statistics, but about solving real life problems. This emphasizing also made me more patient and observant, and I will carry these skills into future design and research projects.
I was responsible for the AI design simulation part of the project. The process taught me that AI is a tool that relies on process input, which prompt lead to the irrelevant design, whereas specified demand driven prompt product practical result. I also found that AI can generate creation idea, but human judgment is still crucial for selecting the refining design to match real-world constraints, like structure limitation for the room. In the future, I want to depend my learning for AI design tool in material how to better translate human need into AI realizable instruction. My role was primarily in the addition the load, as well as the analyzing the community's spatial issue to capturing footage for the corridor lighting, room ventilation in the student study area. I developed a more intuitive understanding for how spatial design impact daily life. Mm,
Overall, the residential community we studied has a fluid foundation in basic living facilities, but several areas exclude the improvement to meet the device need of residents, especially young students. Our specific recommendations for future development are as follows: upgrade the living lighting systems in public corridors and stairwells, replacing traditional areas with energy efficient LED lights to improve brightness and safety. Uh, then introduce an intelligent community management system to multiply public facilities in real time and improve maintenance efficiency. Then establish a resident population metrics such as building design workshop to let residents contribute ideas to community improvements by integrating generator AI technology with on-the-ground community needs. We can create living environments that are more comfortable, interactions, and the human centers, supporting the community's long-term digital and humanity development.